ស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube channel Dara Yin Okay. Today I'm going to help you learn some of the negative makers. So first I would like to say thank you very much for my follower, for my people who write a comment on my YouTube channel saying that they want to know how to use a negative form in Khmer. So today I will take this opportunity to help you learn some of the negative marker in Khmer. Okay, it's pretty simple in this language to make a negative sentence. Okay, so the thing is you need to learn the word ot and man in Khmer. So here, ot and man, ba, ot ba and man, ba. So ot man. You put ot or man in front of any verb, adjective, to make it negative. For example, I don't like Khmer food. In Khmer we would say ខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តអាហារខ្មែរខ្ញុំអត់ចូលចិត្តអាហារខ្មែរ I don't go to school. ខ្ញុំអត់ទៅសាលា So ot, you put ot in front of any verb or adjective to make it negative. So when do you use man? In this language, man is a very strong negative marker, reject. So what is the difference between it, ot and man? Man is stronger. In my experience, ot is more common in this language. Man is more like I would say like a pretty negative of no, like impolite way of saying man nham, man tơ, not it, not go. But ot is more common. So just keep in mind, ot is more common. People use ot more than man. Okay. So what are the ways to use a negative form in Khmer? Well, we have a rule. We say to be plus not. When you are talking about your position, when you are talking about your professional, for example, like I am not a teacher. We say to be plus negative, to be plus not. See? I am not a teacher. So in this case, not is man cheer. So to be plus negative is man cheer. Man cheer. I am not a teacher. We would say in Khmer, ខ្ញុំមិនមែនជាលោកគ្រូ ខ្ញុំមិនមែនជាលោកគ្រូ She is not my friend. គាត់មិនមែនជាពួកម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំ គាត់មិនមែនជាពួកម៉ាក់ខ្ញុំ Okay, so មិនមែនជា so another rule is to be plus not. The translation is មិនមែនជា Another way that we use negative form is for commands like don't go, don't come, don't eat, don't do this, don't do that. The translation for this case is kom. Kom, ba, kom. So don't come to my house. Kom mau pteh knyom. Kom mau pteh knyom. So anything related to command, the negative maker for it is kom. Okay, so stick around and take a note for that. Okay, so hope this short video will help you. So if you like my channel, please like and subscribe it. The next time when I have new video, the notification will alert on your telephone or your device. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bà Ly Hải, ở con tràn bà.